Deep beneath the ocean, hidden forces shape the seafloor. Today, we bring that invisible world to light.
In the same way, we combine high-quality resin with eco-friendly polymers.
Fine mineral particles are added, mimicking the suspended load that makes turbidity currents so powerful.
Turbidity currents form when this dense mix outweighs surrounding water. Our resin base replicates that density.
Timing is crucial in both nature and manufacturing. A turbidity current can last hours, and it's
Visualizing the invisible. When loose sediment meets water on a slope, a dense underflow races downhill.
Just as the sea settles its suspended load after the current, we ensure
Our underwater channel model captures this directional flow. Notice how the color gradient deepens where the path drops.
Within the clean, modern ambience of our facility, the resin sets. Now the channel is locked in place.
The cured model is removed from the mold. A young East Asian female technician wearing white gloves lifts it.
With every meter it travels, the flow follows the submarine slope, seeking the path of least resistance.
The resemblance is no accident. We studied real bathymetric maps to ensure our underwater channel model
The fine mineral particles we added earlier are now part of the channel wall. Just as real turbidites contain sand and mud,
The finished model is placed on a turntable. As it rotates, the light catches the gradient shading, revealing how the blue deepens along the channel's center.
An animation illustrates the current moving downhill, picking up speed and entraining more sediment.
Eventually, the slope levels out, the current loses energy, and the sediment starts to settle.
To faithfully replicate these erosion patterns, our artisans use specialized tools that mimic the wearing action of sediment-laden currents.
Over thousands of years, repeated flows carve deep, wide channels. These sculpted features
In the abyss, these channels can stretch for hundreds of kilometers.
Every underwater channel model is a one-of-a-kind piece, just as no two deep-sea canyons are the same.
Even a drop of water follows the channel's path, demonstrating the enduring influence of the carved route. The sea's memory is imprinted in the resin.
Nature never works in a single event. Over millennia, countless turb currents follow the same path.
These subtle horizontal bands are not flaws. They are records of repeated flows, just as geological.
With every new turbidity current, the channel evolves. What starts as a shallow groove eventually becomes
Now we look at the bigger picture. Repeated turbidity flows don't just carve a vase, they evolve the seafloor on.
From the Amazon fan to the Congo Canyon, these deep-sea channels rival the greatest rivers on. Repeated flows have built not only channels, but entire submarine fans, some of the largest sediment accumulations on the planet.
The same sedimentary processes that form the channels also create ideal traps for oil and gas.
If we look here at the levee, the energy dropped, causing these overbank deposits further out.
And that suggests a slower flow rate during the flood stage.
These channels are also havens of life. Cold water corals, deep sea fish, and unique.
The underwater channel model bridges the gap between the factory floor and the deep ocean, bringing science, sustainability,
Packed with care, a piece of the deep, ready to ship.
from minutes to millennia, the ocean's patience carved masterpieces. Our 8-minute video can only... No two models are identical, just as every deep-sea channel has its own personality.
Now, let's complete the picture. Underwater channels are planetary conveyor belts.
Each grain tells a story, eroded from a mountain, swept to the coast. Then
These red lines indicate the major pathways where sediment is transported from the continents down into the deep ocean via these submarine canyons.
Ecosystems thrive in these currents' shadow. Nutrients trapped in the sediment feed deep-sea corals and string.
The energy industry relies on these channels too. Porous sand bodies left by ancient turbidites are prime.
Look at the little submarine going down there.
That's right, they use those to explore the deepest parts of the canyon.
Oh, wow, it's so blue.
Every model emerges from a process that respects nature, uses eco-friendly materials, and honors the science.
The ocean blue we chose was never an after.
in just 8 minutes, we've journeyed from a turbidity current's birth to a masterpiece of resin.
Bring the unseen ocean floor into your world. Explore.
Thank you for watching. Discover more and order your underwater channel model at the link below. The deep sea awaits.
Warning and disclaimer: education purpose. This video is created solely for education and information purpose. Content notice: all visual scenes and content are conceptual creations and artistic interactions based on public available information, news reports, and open source intelligence. Important notes: no classified, secret, or restricted information has been used in the production of this video. All sources used are publicly available and credible. Disclaimer: this video does not represent actual footage from any real facility, event, or location. Any resemblance to real persons, organizations, or places is purely coincidental. Viewer discretion is advised. We do not promote or encourage any kind of violence, harm, or illegal activities. This content is intended to inform, educate, and raise awareness.